Hey YouTube, probably been jonesing for an update on the Corsair 800D project, so thought I'd finally open some packages. Kind of been waiting for everything to accumulate and arrive, and I've got a lot of different things going on, as you might imagine. And one thing is, I know the unboxing videos kind of get old after a while, but this one's from Germany. This is Aqua Computers RMA for that block. Okay, as you can see, they got it pretty well packed in here, but what I noticed is it seems like they included some stuff here. What is this? Do I get an Aqua Computer mechanical pen? It's a pen. Oh my. I should probably give that to my client. He really deserves it, so anyway, yeah, for putting up with this BS. Okay, I guess that's all. And we've already seen the block. I'll get into looking at that later. We know what that looks like. It looks like this. It's beautiful. And I'll make sure that it's in good shape and all that. Don't worry. But let's not waste any time looking at stuff we've already seen. Let's look at some stuff that I'm going to do some lighting tests with. This is some high brightness glow wire from glowwire.com or whatever. It's EL wire. It's just a phosphor coated center wire with some fine wires twisted around it that makes it glow. This is high brightness. I want to see if it works. And okay, this is $100 worth of very high-tech LEDs. This is I didn't want the weatherproofed, you know, like Audi lights on eBay type of crap. I wanted to get the highest brightness, most modern chips and all that. So I went to a website called Super Bright LEDs, and I've got all the basic colors: UV, white, red, blue, green. And then I also got some side emitting. Okay, now if you look at these, why I like these, okay, look at how skinny the tape is. And look at the, okay, is the camera going to work? See them? See the side emitting diodes? I'm going to try some edge lighting effects with this. I think these will be ideal. If you look at how thin those are, okay, those are super thin profile. And that's going to beam the light right into the edge of the material. So I think that would be really awesome. We're going to find out. So, not all of these are going to end up in the project, but I had to test different colors, and I had to test the side emitting SMD LEDs. Okay, then on to the water block project. Okay, this is going to be a real interesting project. As you can see, this is a really beautiful block. Now, what I need to determine, I'm going to look at the literature on it. I'm going to find out which surfaces of this have to make contact. And then I'm going to use this material here that I got from McMaster. Okay. And mocap, okay, which makes this tape. Okay. Again, sent me samples. I might have mentioned this before, but this is the stuff. This is the high temperature stuff. And I'm going to be using X-Acto and special blades made of titanium that don't stick to adhesive, that stay sharp a long time, to do all the tedious little trimming. I'll be putting tape over it and trimming it. So much fun. I want to give a shout out to the guys at Performance PC, okay, that I was looking for a red 24 pin connector. I didn't want one that was UV pink, I didn't want one that was orange, just wanted a red one. And he took this off of a cable for me and shipped it out to me. As you can see, it's not quite as red as the solid reddish SATA type things, but it is as red as I've seen in a UV type of plastic. So thank you very much, Performance PC. Speaking of Performance PC, this is my client's pump with the lovely and rare white top. Okay, and I'm going to be powder coating this beast here. Let's get this open. This is a Bits Power dress-up kit. Hides the pump motor. So you can see the packaging on this is very nice. They put in a little piece of foam there to keep everything from jangling and jangling. But this is basically a metal doodad that I'm going to have powder coated. This is going to be done in Polar Anxiety to match the lovely pump. And as you can see, my client has himself a frozen Q T-virus, and he was kind enough to gift me with an even larger one that I think I may gift him back with if we can make it fit. It's 400 millimeters. This is 250, so imagine one that's about this big. That's a heck of a long, huge thing. But I think I found a place for it. So we'll just see. It's really up to him. It was very kind of him to give me one of these. I've been wanting one for a while, and I'm just too cheap to get things for myself. So, and I believe he needed a top for another project, so I got my client the top that he wanted. These are the clips. Yeah, those are going to be really delicate. So we've got lighting projects, we've got water block masking projects, which are very involved. Going to have the top is going to be black, the rest of the block will be Polar Anxiety, which is white with a red metaflake dust in it. And obviously I have to keep the whole thing serviceable, usable. Can't just coat the whole thing and then hope to let's see if we can get that off with our, no, we gotta mask it, and it'll be a lot of fun. And there's more parts too to deal with. But there you have it. A nice pile of goodies. They're going to be going into the Corsair 800D, or at least most of them. And stuff to look forward to, like lighting tests with high intensity EL wire and SMDs. And of course, I'll be taking a look at this block real close, and if there's anything amiss, I'll be reporting it.